Where are we at?
That's Ghost's place.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
What's in there?
Ghost's.
Yeah.
They're nice.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
How will you like them up?
What's this called?
Password friendly ghost. All of them.
All of them are?
Uh-huh.
What's this place called?
The guy.
The what?
The guy. Die yard.
The Die Yard?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
This is where people die.
Oh. Alright, you ready to go to the fort?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, baby.
So that's where people die.
Yeah?
Like, that's where my Saul Gretchen died, right?
Well, I don't think she's buried there now.
I think Princess died.
Wait, please.
I think Princess
No,
died.
I don't think
Dog.
so. This way.
I think she really did.
This way. Come on.
It's a bee. Coming.
Alright, we gotta walk up.
Huh?
We gotta walk up. Let me see.
Down there?
Well, we gotta go up here.
Oh. Then what?
Well, then we'll walk over to the fort.
Can we go in there?
Yeah?
Oh, goody. That means get these.
Stay over here. Stay over here. Walk over that side.
Okay, that side.
Yeah.
Here?
Well,
Here? Why?
because we don't get ran over by a car.